Hey guys, we're here at the Duplex renovation and I wanted to give you guys a quick update. You might have seen some of my pictures, but I don't think you've seen many videos. So give you a quick walkthrough. This is all new flooring in here. I actually did this myself. We hired contractors for the rest of it, but let's go into the kitchen. So here in the kitchen, we got brand new cabinets. There were some really ratty old ones in here before. This place was in not the greatest condition. I'll show you guys the before and after pictures. So this transitions out into an open kitchen, or an open living room here from the kitchen. This was some disgusting old carpeting in here that hadn't been vacuumed for probably 9 years. That's how long the lady was living here for. So replaced all that with vinyl, and we're going to be putting this tile in the bathroom here. So we had to replace the entire subfloor. It was shot with OSB. You can see right through into the basement. Brand new tub here. Gonna get a new shower head. I'll have a white surround. The vanity will be the same color as the kitchen cabinets with a white countertop. This is all new carpet. We just laid this today. Gonna replace that window. And we're also going to replace this bedroom window as well. So be nice and energy efficient for the tenants, and it'll look nice. We'll go into the basement. I'll show you a little bit what we've done down here too. So I did this flooring. That window is going to be replaced in the next week or so, a couple weeks. Gotta fix this light in here, but this was all reframed. Drywall, mud, that was all done today. I'm gonna replace this window as well and get a nice energy efficient window in here for the tenants. I'm gonna replace a lot of this old ceiling tile as well. So yeah, come along, stay tuned, and we will show you the finished product and the progress that we're making.